Welcome back to Dnyan Academy. In this class, we are going to study about Navodaya Entrance exam based on the power fundamental operation on whole numbers. On this second chapter of the mathematics, assignment 2.2 up to we are already solved. Who those are not visited that video, please go to the playlist and check that video. Today we are going to discuss about assignment 2.3 based on the operation on whole number. First question, when minus 1 is a multiply by itself 100 times, the product is, what is the answer here? Answer is 100 because minus 1 is multiply by itself. Itself it means minus 1 into minus 1. This one is a 1 times. Answer will be plus 1. Okay. Minus into minus we get plus. Okay. Suppose minus 1 is multiply of itself. This one is a 1 times we got a positive 1. Suppose minus 1 is multiply by 99. 99, the answer will be minus 1 because odd number 99 is a odd number. That's why minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That's like you do the multiple of 100 times. 100 is a even times. 100 is a even time. Suppose 2 times I multiply with a minus 1. This one is a 2. Minus 1 is a multiply of the 2 times. This one is a 2 times multiplication. 2 is a even. That's why the answer is a minus instead of plus 1. Minus into minus we get plus. 1 into 1 answer is plus 1. That's why even time multiply of the minus 1 we get always positive 1. Suppose minus 1 is a multiply of the odd time. Suppose 3 time, 5 time multiply with the minus 1. What will always we get a minus 1 answer. Okay, always we get a minus 1. Here question is what is there. The minus 1 is a multiply of 100 times. Minus 1 is a multiply of 100. 100 is a even number. That's why minus 1 is a multiple of 100 times. The product of the answer is 1 because minus 1 is multiplied by even times. One answer is 1. Suppose minus 1 is a multiple of odd times. 99, 7 times, 11 times. That's like a multiple of a odd number. The answer always must be minus 1. These two are a confusion answer here. The first answer, correct answer here, option A, 1. A second question is, a pair of socks cost twice as much as a cap. If a pair of socks cost is 1250, what will be the two pair of socks for a four caps of a cost? What is the question here? A pair of socks, it means two socks. A pair of socks cost it twice of cap. Suppose we consider a cap value is a x and the socks value is a 2x. Because of question here twice, it means 2. Socks is a 2 times of cap, we write in a 2x. Okay, pair of socks we got cost is 1250. What is the value of two pair of socks and 4 cap cost? Sum with the addition of these two socks. How to solve here? In the question we have already given 5 pair of socks cost is 1250 given. Okay, given this data, how can we solve? Total cost 5 pair of 5 pair of socks. 5 pair of socks how much? 1250 given. How much appears? 5 pairs cost is 1250. And one pair of socks how much we find out here? 5 pair of cost is a 1250. 5 pairs here. Now we have to find out the one pair of socks. We have to find out the one pair of socks. One pair of socks. How to find out a total value of the socks divided by 5? We do the division. The answer is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 carry here 25, 5 pies are 25, a 0 as it is right. A one pair of socks value is 250. Now, one pair of socks value is a 250. We have to find the one cost of cap. Cost of one cap. How much? Cost of one pair of socks divided by 2. Why we make a divide up to? Cost of we want only one cap value. One cap value because of, please write down this. In our question is given one cap value, one cap cost is equal to twice of socks. One cap value is equal to two socks. Okay, one cap cost is equal to two socks given here. Suppose that why already we have to find the one pair of socks value is 250. We have to find out the one cap cost. How much? 250 divided by 2. Because of cap value is twice of socks. Socks value is twice of cap. That's why we do not divided by 2, because of half of this value. One pair of socks value is 250 and the cap value is half of the socks value. That's why I divide with the 2. What is the value of a one cap is 125. This is a one cap value is a 125 and one socks value is a 250. Okay, what we find out here, a cost of two pair of socks, how much? One pair value is a 250 and two pair it means 2 into 250, we get 500. Okay, and 500 is a value of two pair of socks and the cost of four cap, four into cost of one cap already we find out 125. 4 into 125 is equals to 500. Okay, one two pair of socks we get 500 total and 4 cap value is also 500. Okay, these two socks and cap we do the sum answer given here. What is the 500 plus 500? How much? 1000 is the answer. Okay, I hope I understand all of you. And a second answer correct. Option B is the correct here. This one. In an examination, third question, in an examination, Ramesh scored 15 marks more than Gurudas. Here, all of you listen carefully. What is the question here? How to solve the question here? In an examination, Ramesh scored 15 marks more than Gurudas, whereas Leela scored a 7 mark less than Gurudas in the same examination. If their total score is 83, find the marks scored by Gurudas. And now we have to find the where what is the marks of Gurudas. And Ramesh is a more than Gurudas 15 mark, and Leela is taken the score of minus 7. It means less than Gurudas. And Ramesh, Gurudas and Leela's total score is 83. Okay, how to solve this question? What is the given data in question? First you write here. And Ramesh scored how much? Ramesh scored how much? Ramesh scored Gurudas more than 50. Ramesh scored Gurudas of the scored more than 50. Ramesh's score is a total of Gurudas plus 15. Next one is Leela scored what about less than 7 of the Gurudas. This one is a given data in question. And also one of the given data here, Ramesh plus Gurudas plus Leela total score is 83. Okay, R, this one is R. Here R value I write here. R is equal to G plus 15 I write here. G plus 15. L it means G minus 7 I write here. Plus G as it is right. L it means G minus 7 equals to this equation 83. And G plus 3. G how much? 3G. And 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 plus 8 equals to 83. 3G is equal to 83 minus 8. We get answer is 75. G is equal to 75 divided by 3 is equals to how much? 25. 25 is our answer here. What is the given data? This one is a given data. Using these three data I solved here. And Gurudas scored is 25. Suppose in question we make a twist. What about score Ramesh? Uh, 25 plus 15. This one is a 40 score. What about Leela score? 25 minus 7. This is the Leela score is 18. Suppose you want a Leela score, you do like this. As suppose you want Ramesh score, you do like this. In question, we have to find the only Gurudas score is only 25. Answer of this question is okay. Next one is correct answer is option B 25. Okay, next fourth question. Rahim got 10 marks more than Dinesh and Gorgi got 25 marks less than Rahim. The total marks of all three is 225. The marks of Gorgi are. This one is a fourth question is a similar question of third question. This one is for your homework. Fourth question is exactly similar question of third question. You solve this question. Next, fifth one question. Joseph scored 8 marks less than Amit in an examination and Kumar scored 12 marks more than Amit. In all they are scored in 205 marks. What was the score of Joseph? This is also similar question here. This is also similar question for a third question. Okay. These question number 4 and 5 your homework. Okay, please your answer comment on the comment box. Please send me answer in a comment box. Okay. Rahim got 10 marks. Dinesh marks is we don't know Dinesh marks. Okay, Rahim got 10 mark. Dinesh plus 10 mark, and Gorgi got 25 marks less than Rahim. Okay. Okay, this is the exactly similar of these questions solved here. And the next question is the sum of first 4 multiplies of 8. First 4 multiplies it means we already know the table of 8. The table first multiply of 8 is 8 and second multiply of the 8 is 16 and the third multiply of the 8 is 24 and fourth one is 32. Sum of these two numbers. Okay, and 6 plus 4 10 and 8 plus 2 also 10. This one is a 20. Carry right here. And 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. Okay, 8 is our answer. Is it correct or not? Check here. Our answer option C correct here. 80. And the next seventh question, which digit should be written in a place of this given symbol? Okay, which number you write in this symbol, a given number here, and the one place is one symbol is there. In the given option, which number is add here, that number will be divisible of 11. We know already, we know the how to divisibility test of 11. Divisibility test of 11. What is the our given number here? What is our given number here? 5 6, and this one is the one symbol here, and 8 9 1. How to do the divisibility test here? One, first I check with the option here. First option A is equals to 1 here. Option A is equal to 1 here. I put the 1 here. 5 6 1 8 9 1. Okay, in the place of this value, option A equals to 1 I put here. I check the divisibility test of 11. This one is the first number, this is second number, third number, fourth number, five number, sixth number. Okay, first I do the sum of odd place number. Odd place, it means 5 is in one place because of this one is an odd place. 5 plus, and 3 also odd place and the value is 1 plus, and 5 is odd place plus 9. Okay, 15. Total sum of the odd place number is 15. And next I do the sum of even place number. Even place number, first one is a 6 and next one is a 8 and next one is a 1. Add these two number. 6 plus 8 how much? 6 plus 8 how much? 14. 14 plus 1 15. And I do the subtraction of these two numbers. 15 minus 15 we get 0. Okay, suppose you want 0 here, this is also divisible by, this number is divisible by 11. Okay, this one is a correct answer here. Option 1 is the correct here. I check with the another option. I check with the another option. So B option, B is equal to 3 given. I put the place in 3 here. 5 6 3 8 9 1. And odd place is 1, 2 even place, 3 odd place, 4 even place, 5 odd place, and 6 even place. First I do the odd place number addition. 5 plus 3 plus 9. What is the sum of these two numbers? 17 here. Okay, 17. I do the addition of the even place number. 6 plus 8 plus how much? 1. This is the 15. 17 minus 15. We get answer is 2. This is not correct here. And how to make a divisibility test? You already know the odd place number, you do the addition, and even place number, you do the addition. Final answer, we do the subtraction. Answer must be 0 comes, that is divisible by 11. Answer must be multiply up 11 comes. Suppose 11 these two numbers subtraction we get 11 or 22 or 33 or 43, 44. These are the divisible of 11. Suppose these like numbers are comes in the answer, this is also divisible by 11. This is the rule of divisibility test of 11. Okay, already we know the how to do the make a divisibility test of 11 here. Option 1 is a correct here. Option 1 is correct here. Okay, and we do the next question, eighth one. Option 1 is correct here. Eighth question, what is the quotient when 1836 is divided by 17? Okay, 17. What is the quotient? It means answer. What is the quotient? Remainder, I'll simply understand you. What is the quotient? What is the, suppose 8 I divide with the 2. 2 4 the 8. Remainder is 0. 2 we called as a dividend. Sorry, 2 we called as a divisor. 8 we called as a dividend. 8 we called as a dividend. 4 we called as a quotient and 0 we called as a remainder. In this question, what we tell here, 8 1836 given. We find the quotient of this number is divisible by which number? 17. Okay, 17. 17. 17. I divide with the this one like this. 1 is not a divisible of 17, that's why I take directly 18. 17 ones are 17. We do the subtraction here, 1 coming here, 1 is coming. I take a 3 from downside. 13 is also 13 is also non-divisible of 17. That's why I write a 0 here, and that's why I take a 6 again one times. Why I write 0 here? At a time we take two numbers in a downside, that's why I write the 0 here. Okay, 136 is a divisible of 17. 17 8s are 136. Our remainder is 0. What is the quotient? Question here, quotient is 108. Suppose in this question, what is the remainder? 0 is our remainder. Okay, like these questions are coming here. Okay, all of you understand this question. Assignment 2.3. Next we have to solve the assignment 2.4. First question is like this: arrange the following number in increasing order. Arrange the following numbers in increasing order. Given numbers are like this: 98,230 and 98,023, and next one is 89,320, next one 98,032. Given number here, write in increasing order. Increasing order or ascending order. Also remaining, these two are similar here. Find the increasing order or ascending order is same here. And you increasing order, you write in a start with a small number to large number. In the option check here, which is the small number here. 89,000 here also, 89,000 here also, 89,000 here also. And these two numbers are 89,320 given first one. Okay, I check with the second number, 89 in 98,032. Here 98,230. Here 98,023 only. 23 here and 32 here and 230 here. Which is the small number of three number? This one is a small number here. Okay, this is the answer here. Okay, D option is the correct here. Check this is increasing order or not here. 89,320, 89,023, 89,032, 89,230. This one is the increasing order of the in this question. Option D is the correct here. Okay, and the second question is a greatest three digit number divisible by 8, 10, 12. In three numbers are given options. Some numbers are given here. And which number is divisible by 8 also and 10 also and 12 also. Okay. How to check a divisibility test or here? Uh, Here 8 divisibility test. First we have to check with the 6 which number is completely divisible by 8. I do the 9. First option is 990. I check here. This one is a divisible of 8 or not here. This one is a completely divisible of 10 because of in a unit place 0 we have. And this one is a 8 divisibility is there or not. How to check? 8 1 is 8. I take a 9 minus 8 1 and 9 we take a downside. 8 2 is 16 and do the subtraction here, and the answer is what 3 here. I 3 0 take a downside 30. 2 3s are 24. 30 is not completely divisible by 8, that's why 8 3s are 24 and the answer is 6. Remainder is coming here. 990 is not a completely divisible by, this one is not a completely divisible by 8, that's why A option is wrong here. I check with the option B. 975. 8 ones are 8 and 1 and 17 and 8 twos are 16 and remainder is 1. 5 downside. 8 twos are 16, 8 ones are 8. Again we are 975 also. We have a remainder. This option B also wrong here. I check with the option C. 960. 8 ones are 8 and 1 coming here. 9 minus 8 1 and 16 we take a downside. 8 twos are 16 and 0 again we take a 0. 960 is completely divisible by 8, that's why option C is a correct here. Option C is a correct here because of this C number is completely divisible by 8 and also completely divisible of 10 and also completely divisible of 12. Is it correct or not? Check here. Okay, option C is the correct here. Next one is third question. Which of the following number is divisible by 18? How to check the divisibility of given number here? uh, Given numbers options are given here. Which number is completely divisible by 18? How to check here? So I start with the 18. 18 is completely divisible by 2 and 18 is completely divisible of 3 and 18 is completely divisible of 18. Okay, and 18 is completely divisible by 2 because of 2 nines are 18 and 18 is completely divisible of 3 6 are 18 here and 18 ones are 18. I check a divisibility test of two given number. First one option First one option, last unit is 4. This one is a completely divisible by 2. First option, what is here? 4,44,444. First option is like this. And unit place divisibility test of 2. Unit place even number. This is completely divisible by 2. And 3. How to make a last one is an even number. This is not completely divisible by 3. That's why this number is also not a completely divisible of 18. This one is a wrong here. And I write the 5,55,555 given number here. In the last unit, odd number is here. In last unit, odd number is here. That's why odd number of 5 is not a divisible of 2. That's why option B also wrong here. And I check with the 666,660, 6,66,660 given number. Last unit is 0. This is also completely indivisible by 2. And last unit is 0 here. This is not completely divisible of 3. That's why option C also wrong here. And I check with the last D1 is 6,66,666 given. Last unit is 6 here. This one is completely divisible of 2. And last unit is 6 here. This is also completely divisible of 3. Because of 2 3s are 6. Because of 3 2s are 6 here. This number is completely divisible of 2 and 3. Also completely divisible of 18. So the option D is correct here. And next one is a 4th question. There are 14 rows in a packing lot. There are 14 rows in a parking lot. If in the every row there are 420 slots for parking cars, then find the total number of slots of parking car. What we do? In each rows, in how many 420 slots are there? Because what is the 420? It means 420 lines are there. In each 14 rows are there. Total 14 rows are there. One row containing 14. Okay. One row containing 420. What we do the answer? What is the here? In total, in every row, 420 cars are slotted here. How many rows are there? How many rows are there? 14 rows. We do the multiplication of these two numbers. We get answer is 5,880. Just we do the multiplication. How to understand this question here? How many rows are there? In each rows, how many cars are standing here? That is the multiplication here. Okay. And the 14 rows are there, and every 420 slots are parking in a car here. The option B is correct here. Option B is correct here. Okay. Next fifth question. In a school, there are 704 desks to be placed in a 22 classroom. If the same number of desks is placed in each classroom, how many desks will be placed in each classroom? Total, how many desks are there? 704 desks are there. In a placed in a how many classroom? 22 classroom. We do the division. Total number of desks, total number of class. We do the division of these two number. We get answer is 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44, 22 threes are 66. Okay, 70 minus 66, we get a 4 here, and take 4 downside, and 22 twos are 44. Okay, this is the answer here. What is the answer here? Answer is a question 32 here. In your option 32 is there. 32 option A is the correct here. And sixth one, the sum of the digit number is subtracted from the number, and the resulting number is always divisible by which number? In like these questions are coming your examination, some simple rule is here. What is the rule that I telling you? First one is the sum of the digit number is sum of the digit. It means we do the sum of numbers. That digit is 10x plus y, because y is in unit place, x is in 10 place. I write 10x plus y. Okay, this one is, and the next one is x and y are the digit here, and the sum of the digit it means x plus y. Okay, 10x right here because of a digit number. I take a two digit number, that's why plus number is in a unit place, second number is in 10 place, that's why I write the 10x here, and the sum of these two digits are x plus y here. And what we do, and 10x, what is the question here? The sum of digit number is subtracted by that number. This one is a one number, another one is this number here. Sum of these two number are subtracted by this number. We final answer divisible by which number? Okay, we do the subtraction here. Minus x plus y equals to what we get, and 10x minus x we get 9x. Okay, this one minus into plus we get minus y, plus y minus y cancel here, and 9x is our answer. 9x always, like these questions are coming here, answer is always 9x. Okay, answer is always 9x. 9x it means any number coming here, that number will be divisible by 9 here. Okay, that number is divisible by 9 here. Okay, suppose one example give you based on this question. I one example give you, and x equal to 1. I take a x equal to 1 and y equals to 2. And what is the first rule here? 10x plus y here, and 10 into x it means 1, that's why this is 10 here. Y it means 2 here. What is the value here? Okay, 10 into x we get a what, a 100. 10 into x we get 100 plus 2. This one is a 102. Why write 100 here? This one is a unit place. 100 is in a 10 place. Okay, 10 into 10 we get a 100. 10 into 10 we get a 100. 100 plus 2, 102. And next one rule is x plus y. And x it means 1 and y it means 2. Answer is 3 here. We do the subtraction of these two numbers. 102 minus 3 we get 99. This number is multiple of which number? Option which number? 99 is a divisible of 2? No. 99 is a divisible of 5? 9? No. And 99 is a divisible of 8? This is also no. What is the correct answer here? 9. Okay. And next one is a 7 question. Simplify this one. This one is suppose you want to see easily. but it's not easy. Easy is there, but you know the some method of doing this simplification. What is the method here? What is the method here? Observe all of you. Rule is there. What is the rule? Board mass rule. BODMAS. Board mass rule. What is the board mass rule? First you solve the, if you have any questions are there, first you solve the bracket. What is the, like this question, uh, 2 plus 3 bracket divide 4 into 2, and the next one is into, like these questions are coming here. First you solve the bracket. Op it means multiplication, D it means division, M it means multiplication, A it means addition, and S it means subtraction. This one is a rule. We called as a board mass rule. B it means bracket, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This one is a rule. What is the rule apply here in 7th question? How to solve here? What is the here 89 into 15 plus 11 into 15 minus 500. Given question is like, what is the rule here? Board mass rule here. Board mass rule here. Here there is no bracket, there is no off here. Here also there is no division also there. What we go next, we do the multiplication. 89 into 59. 89 into 59 we do the multiplication. Answer is uh, 1335 plus as it is right. Also next we do the, what is the multiplication? First you do the complete multiplication because of a rule is there. Okay, 11 into 15 we get 165 minus 500 as it is right. What is the rule here? Next we do the addition of these two number. We get 15, we get 1500. Okay, 1500 is the given addition of these two number, and minus 500. What will be the answer is only 1000. Okay, all of you must and should we know the rule of board mass rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. We do the addition, division first, after that multiplication, after that addition, after that subtraction. This one is a rule, and the correct answer is option C is the correct here. And next one is 8 question is here. Already we know the how to do the division of these two number. We know the 13 table, directly you divide with this number, and this one is your homework. Please do the comment on this answer. Okay, next one is remaining one assignment 2.5 is here. This one is also easy. Are there our questions are, suppose we know the answer, better to try solve this question in your homework. We have any doubts on this assignment 2.5, please do the comment section. Please solve the assignment 2.5 teacher like this question. We do the comment, after that I solve this assignment also. Otherwise, and this one is a your homework. Okay, this one is a your homework. Please note on the questions and solve all the questions. Only 7 questions are there. If you have any doubt, please comment on the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. First time you are visiting my channel, please do the subscription and bell icon to the next way. If you have any doubt, and please do comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching.